Tucked away in the corner of a research lab, Ed Morgan and a PhD student prepare an experiment. It's a behind-the-scenes glimpse of scientific discovery that could change the face of preventative medicine. Morgan works with a team of researchers at SDSU to improve the effectiveness of vaccines. Collaborating with the University of Nebraska, they've made advances that could lead to enhanced vaccines to prevent many types of infections, cancers, and other deadly diseases.
What we refer to what we're working with is called an immunobiotic. And this is not a classical antibiotic, but what we're trying to do is to use the body's own immune defense system to help itself. We are approaching this in a completely different fashion than classical vaccine development is currently being done.
They have tested it against a staph infection that is the leading cause of death for hospital patients.
And what they're finding is that they can clear staph infections even with methicillin-resistant staph, or MRSA, which is a very difficult type of bacteria to eradicate because very few antibiotics are effective against it. This is typically the bacteria that's acquired during prolonged hospitalizations, because the bacteria there oftentimes, have acquired antibiotic resistance. So having a new agent that can clear MRSA staph infections is really important.
The results have been so successful that the scientists are moving into clinical studies.
The implications are very significant. We don't know exactly how far we can take this. We know that it is important, and it gives a new paradigm shift to the way FDA, the way NIH, the way people think about how to develop vaccines.
This type of innovation is exactly what led SDSU to build the BioScience Center in the first place.
The vision that the university had for it, which was a center of research focused on the interface between infection, inflammation, and heart disease. The ways that we can tackle these problems in heart disease is through new knowledge creation, another is through public health policies, and the third is through commercialization of discoveries. And this is where I think Ed really has hit his stride in terms of looking for ways to turn this into a clinically useful product.
We're poised at the cusp of a new basic technology that has never been utilized.